In the fast-paced world of digital media, strategy is everything, and Meg Coffey knows it well. As the founder of Coffey and Tea, Meg leads a passionate team dedicated to tourism and hospitality clients. With an impressive range of activities, Meg also runs Social Media Perth, amplifying industry knowledge through networking events. Social media is an ever-moving target, Meg explains, highlighting the constant evolution of online interaction. To thrive, a strong strategy is essential. Many forget this critical aspect, losing sight of their goals. Coffey and Tea transformed from 3 to 5 team members during the pandemic, driven by remarkable growth and resilience. Mental health is vital in this industry, and Meg promotes a work-life balance among her diligent team. Content creation is about storytelling. Audiences vary across platforms, each craving unique narratives that resonate deeply. UGC accounts for 80 to 90% of our inspiration, Meg emphasizes, revealing the importance of user-generated content. With tools like Iconosquare and Buffer, Meg analyzes performance metrics, ensuring sustained engagement and growth for her clients.